Here we have a 2015 Chevy Sonic LT, two-owner, clean Carfax, 44,000 miles in Mocha Brown. We actually sold this vehicle to the previous owner. It's traded back in on a little bit more of a larger vehicle, and this vehicle was very well kept, had very low miles when she purchased from us the first time, and it's been very well kept since she owned it. You see the Mocha Brown is a nice color. Also you have the high intensity headlamps. We've got aluminum wheels here. I believe they're 16-inch. Just tell you here for sure, yep. 15-inch, excuse me, alloy wheel, multi-spoke. We also got nice thick tires here. These are actually winter tread tires. Probably about 7, 8, 30 so about half tread. We also have a nice shiny rotor, thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check, excuse me, on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection report signed by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Right now we're looking in through the passenger side. You can see you have a nice little design through the charcoal cloth covered seats. You have dark charcoal carpeting. We have a two-tone dash here with light and dark charcoal gray. It flows through the door panels there as well. Now this is an economical compact 5-passenger sedan, but you can see there's very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. You also can see that that interior was kept in nice, clean condition by the previous owner as well. Now we have regular all-season tires here on the back. These tires are actually getting probably about 4/32. You know, so there's not as much life left on these, but these are the all seasons. The winter treads are only on the front. You can see the scuff-free alloy wheel and a nice resurfaced rear rotor there as well. Now we'll continue around to the back. You can see it is a Sonic, it is an LT. Nice, nice vehicle there, and we're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk here. There we go. And I just wanted to show you how large the trunk is, even for an economy car. You also got a 70-30 split on your rear seat there, so you can fold it down and get a little more cargo room. Underneath here is where you got your spare tire, jack tools, oil funnels, things of that nature. Continuing around to the side, just again to show you do have the all-season hand cooks here on the back. Like I say, about 4 or 5/32. Nice resurfaced rotor scuff-free wheel there. Also, we'll just show you in through this side. You can see nice clean interior there. And then on the driver's seat side here, manual adjustment on the driver's seat. And I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. I'd like to start here with the key. You can see it does have a remote start, power trunk release, got your keyless entry there as well. Switchblade laser cut key, I call it, and you do have 2 keys. Now your power windows, mirrors, and locks are located right there on the door. We'll go ahead and jump in and start it up for you. You can see 44,015 miles. It just crested 44,000 miles. You have automatic headlamp controls over here on the left. You got a dimmer switch for your interior lights and clusters. Got your cruise control here on the left as well. High beams and turn signals. There's your cruise control below. You got your wipers and washers on the right. Audio controls on your steering wheel. Your Bluetooth hands-free communication on the right of the wheel as well. Now we got your standard Sirius satellite AM FM radio, single CD. You can see the controls for it. There's another button for your door locks. You've got your climate control down here, fan speed, air conditioning button, reset button, 4-way flashers. Got your 4-shift here, manual ability to shift the gears on the side. Got your trunk release there, traction control, 12-volt power supply, pull handle for the e-brake, 2 large cup holders, LED map lights, no roof on this model. Let me just pop the hood and I'll show you the 4-cylinder engine. Have an inline 4-cylinder engine here. Good sturdy engine. Been well maintained. You can see it is an Ecotec 1.8 liter inline 4. Very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Doesn't even have corrosion on the terminals. You would not know that this engine has 54,000 miles. You can see it is very well kept compared to it. Just Just gonna shut the car off here. We'll get into the next portion of the video. Next part of this really, I think, differentiates us from a lot of dealers. Not only are we completely transparent in our price, but also in the condition of our vehicle. My job now is just to walk around the car, be your eyes and ears, let you know if there's anything that I see that would make this vehicle less than perfect. Looking for chips, scrapes, dents, scuffs. A couple very minor ones there on that plastic bezel around the mirror. But essentially, looks pretty good down this side. Couple little chips there on that quarter. Little tiny scrape right there. It's been touched up. Couple of little chips there loading and unloading cargo. Top of the deck looks good. Working our way up the passenger side quarter. There's a little scuff right there. Quarter panel looks fine. Haven't noticed the dent yet. Nice and straight and clean. Oh, here's a dent on the roof. Little one. Don't even know if I can catch it in the proper light to show you. We do have a little dent right there. I just can't get it in the light for you guys. It's very small. Fender looks good. A little bit of chip here on the top of the hood. Couple here. As I pan across. Really tough on these small cars to not get some stone chips. Lower part of the facer looks good. So there you have it, guys. Very, very well kept. We know where it came from. Local owner, well cared for. Great new car alternative. Excellent value. Still covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Can buy the car with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. My name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.